Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today our Group 6, will present about the proposal of our extracurricular program that can enhance UTM graduate attribute skills among UTM students. We have 5 members in our group, which are Nabila, Amizah, Rosdianti, Fazlin and Shafira. Let me introduce myself again. My name is Nur Amizah binti Truman and I will talk about the issues that need to be addressed and the name of our program. There are several issues that our group will focus on in constructing the objectives of our program. First of all, we discovered 3 UTM graduate attribute skills that are lacking among UTM students. The skills that we identified are global citizen, adaptability, and leadership skills. Next, as a UTM student who studied here for almost 3 years, another issue that we come across with are lack of mutual understanding between local and international students. We can't deny that having different cultures, language, and background will make it difficult for us to understand each other. Because of that, our group wants to help spread awareness and understanding between students with different cultures and background in this university. There are many differences between our cultures and others. However, there must be some elements that can unite us as humans, and one of it are foods. In order to solve these issues and unite the differences, together we agreed to conduct a program called Food Around the World.
We Food Hunter Club proposed the Food Around the World program. It is basically a program that introduces various foods and some dietary tips from other countries. The objectives of this program are to promote global citizen skills by experiencing others' culture through food diversity, and to encourage adaptability between international and local students by spreading the knowledge of different varieties of cuisines, and to encourage leadership skill by sharing dietary tips from different countries. The target of this program is all local and international UTM students.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Shafira binti Jamaluddin. So for our program, I'm in charge for invited guests and as a program treasurer who taking care about program financial. So for the first one, for invited guests, we decide to invite Khairul Amin, which is one of famous food bloggers or influencer in Malaysia with 3.5 million followers on his Instagram. So we invite him as a Malaysian representative, as a food bloggers, and why we decide to bring him to our program because we believe most of people know who is him, and it will bring more enjoyment to audience and attract audience to come and join in our program. So during the program, he will sharing cooking recipe and doing live cooking. Okay, next for our budget estimation. So we got allocation from HEP about 3,000 ringgit. And for the first one, we use it for her rental fees about 250 for one day. And then we give it to participants to open their booth about 200 ringgit for each group, which is we consist about 6 group. And then for the other use for breakfast, lunch and drinks like mineral water, and we also use it for lunch for VIP, which is our VIP is our program director, invited guests and top committee of this program. The allocate also used for multimedia items such as banner, poster, lanyard and certificate for participants. So the total of our budget is about 2,861.50, exclude 1,260 for participant t-shirt because it will be paid by participant itself. So that's all from me and thank you.
Firstly, we have distributed a survey among UTM students via Google Form to find out their level of interest to participate in the proposed program. From the survey, we found that 85% of the respondents stated that the proposed program will help them to acknowledge about others' culture, and 98% of the respondents agreed that the proposed program will help them to improve their graduate attributes which are global citizen skills, adaptability skills, and leadership skills. Also, all the respondents are interested to join the proposed program if they have chance to do so. Next, to evaluate our program, we will collect data from all the participants and audience, again via Google Form, which will be provided at the end of the program. This data will help us to determine whether we managed to achieve our objectives and provide ideas for further improvement for the next program.
Hi, I am Nabila and I will continue on the importance of the program to improve graduate success attribute. The first one is adaptability skills. This program will help the students to gain more meaningful experience. They are not only getting to know a variety of dishes and desserts, but also useful tips and food taboos in certain cultures. The local and international students are able to interact, meet new people, and be open to embrace their cultures with one another in order to find mutual understanding. Next is leadership and teamworking skills. The students are able to work together in a group in order to accomplish desirable goals. They can inspire other people by interacting effectively with the audience to share ideas, information, and suggestions on dietary tips. The members of the group make every effort to convey what they want to share with the audience in a clear and efficient manner. And lastly, global citizen. The students are able to respect and value cultural diversity. The students are also able to connect and make new friends with people from other parts of the world who have come to the event. They can have cultural exchanges where they swap recipes, dietary tips, and more interesting stories from their cultures. That's all from me.